Looking for online courses to help grow your moving company? MoveUp Consulting's courses provide systems to a better team. Our bulletproof interviewing system helps you get the truth out of job candidates during an in-person interview. The multi-benefit post-interview course will help you know the exact steps to take after you've interviewed job candidates. Next, have a systematic approach to onboarding movers and drivers by following the hourly employee onboarding system. Methods in the Rich Retention Program will keep your best people on board for the long haul, but will also teach you effective methods to separate from a team member while keeping them as a brand advocate. Our Magnetic Culture Building course helps you make people want to be at your company so you'll have greater team buy-in. To access each of these 6 courses and have the entire system, you can purchase the Moving Team Master Plan so you can grow a massive moving team. The courses also come with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee if you're not totally happy with your purchase. So avoid being handcuffed by your movers and purchase the Moving Team Master Plan now.